Hello everyone. How are you all? Welcome to my podcast Shangri-La with Ila Anant Acharya. Thank you so much for this wonderful response I am getting on my podcast. Thank you for all your appreciation. Thank you so much. Also, I want to thank all the viewers who are watching my shorts, YouTube shorts, which are available on my YouTube channel, which is in English language. That is also titled as Shangri-La with Ila Anant Acharya. So if you haven't subscribed to it, please do subscribe it and just go through the YouTube shorts which are based on the very famous books which I have gone through and I am reading it and I have read it. So let's get today's episode started. So as you all know that this podcast season 4 is based on the book The 5 AM Club by Robin Sharma. Until now I have completed 6 episodes in which I have tried to take the most a few important points from the chapters given in this book. And here today I am going to discuss with you one very important framework for the for the expression of greatness. So this is from chapter number 9. So the title again is the same, that is a 3-step success formula. So if you want to be successful, if you want to have a world class life, then you have to follow this 3-step success formula. That is, it is raising your level from superficiality to granularity. That is, you have to go in the granular level to reach up to the very base, to the very core of certain thing. So step 1 says that for better awareness you have to start with learning and growing. For better choices you have then you can do a good implementation and execution of the work, and when you have better results it will improve your income and impact. So learning, implementation, impact, and growing, execution and income, these are the 3 steps. Step 1, 2, 3 I will you explain in later how it will work. So nobody will be able to achieve success, and they will be different from other if you are doing the same regular thing which others are also doing. So you have to be different, you have to be you have to see yourself and express yourself differently. So the beginning of transformation is the increase of perception. You have to see the things differently, you have to present the things differently in front of the world, so that people know that yes, you are different, your work is world class level. So it is said that the best in the world have depth. Everything which is very genuine and unique is having the depth in their work. So the grade of work you offer to the world, it reflects the strength of the respect you have for yourself. So anything you are doing, and you can be at any grade or any level of work, you can be either a sweeper or a manager, you can be a teacher, you can be a student, any level of work, any position you are having, but at that position if you are doing the work to 110% level, and not superficial level, no, but at a granular level, that you can achieve success in that particular position and in that particular area of the life which you want to improve. So, and there is one more thing, it is said that less is more. So if you will concentrate and if you will focus on one thing, then it will definitely lead to more improvement, more income, and it will definitely lead to more impact. So it is said that geniuses understand that it is smarter to create one masterpiece than to create 1,000 ordinary pieces. That's why it is known as masterpiece, because nothing is like that masterpiece. It is only single piece, only one piece in the entire world. So you have to be like that. You have to be original, you have to be single one. Nobody should be like you, okay? And you are different, and nobody is similar to each other. But to reach up to that level of genius, you have to go into the depth. You have to bring certain habits and talents from inside from you to achieve that goal. So repeating the 3-step success formula, it is said that remember the core maxim for elite performance that this framework for greatness has been built around is: with better daily awareness you can make better daily choices, and with better daily choices you will start seeing better daily results. So as I also have mentioned earlier in the initial episode, that the small step, the small increment daily is very important to achieve a great result. So raise your raise your commitment, step up your standards. You have to optimize daily. So it is said that consistency really is the DNA of mastery. So please, whatever you want to achieve, whatever you want to become, please take small step daily. Improve yourself daily by joining the 5 a.m. club, that is waking up early in the morning at 5 a.m., taking out 1 hour for you, which is known as the victory hour, in which you can make the difference. You can improve yourself. You can learn more about what you want to do. You can be in a silent mode, meditate to know what you can actually do, what are your strengths. So this 3-step success formula, if you will follow, you will definitely going to win, and you will definitely going to lead a world-class life. So if you want to know anything more, if you have any doubt, please you can contact me, message me, comment, and thank you so much.